How to make Android auto launcher automatically every time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here, scroll down and click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, scroll down and you will see Start Android Auto automatically is here. So if you want to make Android Auto, so click on this option. So you will see, you will select always. So click on always. So you will select if used to on the last device drive. So click on if used on the last drive. So if you want to use default set by the so click on this option. So after selecting this option, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make Android auto launcher automatically every time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.